So a quick recap of market action this week. Certainly we are seeing quite a mixed week for the market with really a little bit of everything coloring the market. At the start of this week, we have had geopolitical tensions surrounding North Korea once again weighing upon markets before a lot of this focus is given to the anticipation for monetary policy and also fiscal policy developments. On the monetary policy end, the focus was really on the Fed, with Federal Reserve Chair Janet Yellen hitting the wires, reaffirming her hawkish views. And before that, Wednesday, we have seen US President Donald Trump revealing his tax framework, and that itself has certainly led to quite a bit of optimism for US markets, with the Dow Jones, S&P 500 index both seen up about 0.3 and 0.4% respectively on a week-to-date basis as of Thursday's close. But for Asian market, it has certainly been a different story. So we have seen markets including MSCI Asia Pacific, excluding Japan index, being down about 2.2% as of Thursday's close, and of course the Singapore market down as well. So with the anticipation of a lot of markets being closed next week for holiday, certainly there's a bit of pressure has been seen in the regional markets. So for the upcoming week, what are some of the key items that we are going to keep a lookout for the full suite of events? Once again, head on to IG website for the IG economic calendar, but I'm just going to highlight a few key items for markets trade. So we do know a lot of this volatility has been really centered around the US dollar. The dollar index itself really seeing quite a bit of strength this week. But next week, I do think that a lot of this focus will be given to the non-farm payrolls numbers, with payrolls, unemployment rate, and also the average hourly earnings numbers being out on a Friday. So we do see quite a bit of mixed bag in terms of expectations currently, with non-farm payrolls expected at only 75K, down from last month's disappointment of 156K. But on the other hand, we have average hourly earnings expected to tick up to 0.3% month-on-month from 0.1% previously. So I do think that a lot of the investors are well aware that this data could be marked by the effects of the hurricane. May take this with a pinch of salt, but eventually the data itself may still have a sway upon the markets. Of course, we do know ahead of Friday's numbers, on Monday we have the ISM manufacturing number coming out. That itself is expected to moderate before Wednesday. We have Federal Reserve Chair Janet Yellen once again speaking. So those are the things that we want to keep a lookout for. But as things stand right now, the dollar index is seen trading around the 93 level, resistance around 94, and support at 92.50. So do keep quite a lookout for that with these key events up ahead. But for the Asian markets, what are some of the items to look out for? We do know that China and Korea will be closed for the entire week, and even Hong Kong markets will be seeing 2 days holidays in the coming week, and that itself could really make for thin markets. But the attention may still be given quite a bit to Japanese markets at the start of the week, with Q3 Tankan or business sentiment survey numbers being out. For Q3 itself, the number for large manufacturers, one of the key ones to watch out for, is expected to tick up to 18 from 17 previously, and that itself could give the Nikkei 225 market quite a bit of optimism over there. So we do know that the market itself seeing quite a significant progress thus far, with a 1 month return up about 4.85%, certainly showing quite a strong trend over there. It's been consolidating slightly around 20,300 levels, so do watch for reactions over there. And of course, for the local Singapore market, we have PMI numbers for September that's going to be due on Monday after the market close. So keep an eye on for that items. But that having said that, once again, focus on the US indicators as well.